Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Masjid Al-Farooq's Phase 2 construction area. I'm standing in front of the car ramp, which leads down to the underground parking garage. And one of the final steps to finish the car ramp is to install a snow melt cable, which is underway and it's almost 80% complete. If you look carefully, I'm not sure if you can see in the video, the snow melt cable is the red cabling that you can see in the section that is not covered with snow, but that's the snow melt cable, almost complete. And then the next step after that is complete is to pour concrete on top, and then we'll have a heated ramp that can melt the ice and snow, which is very important because of course it's sloped. After those two steps are done, the next step is to install the garage door, which is a custom built door. The manufacturing was completed and the door was delivered. It's sitting under this orange tarp. So we're just waiting on the snow melt cable to be finished, concrete to be poured. We'll install this garage door, and we have one other thing to show you over here. Here we wanted to show you one of the tents that we've put up for Ramadan. And inside we'll show you how it looks like, although we're going to put a subfloor down very soon, and it will be heated and give us extra space for Taraweeh and for Jummah inshallah. And also we have another tent, as you can see, going up, so total 1,200 square feet extra for this month of Ramadan. And you can see our volunteers hard at work, alhamdulillah. Now we just go over to the entrance of the new building. So now I'm standing in front of the new entrance of the new building. So the construction is well over 80% complete on the inside, alhamdulillah, and we'll show you more videos of the progress there. We're very close to get occupancy, but we won't make it before Ramadan. We face the typical construction delays, and we need your financial support. We're targeting inshallah the summer. We hope that we will get occupancy inshallah. But this is another excellent opportunity. This is the final step to complete the construction. So an excellent opportunity for Sadaqatun Jariyah, especially in this month of Ramadan. And the cost is only $200 per square foot, and that covers everything needed for completing construction, whether including the HVAC, the plumbing, the electrical, and all other components to complete the construction and got occupancy. Of course, you can sponsor or donate as many square feet as you want, whether it's 10, 5, 2, or even 1 square foot, or even half a square foot. Whatever you want to donate, it's your opportunity. And of course, you can come to the masjid to donate, but you can also donate online through our homepage at masjidfarooq.com, and you can click the Donate to Complete Construction button, which is the first yellow button at the top, and then you'll get all the instructions on how to donate. And also you can e-transfer your donation to our email admin@masjidfarooq.com. Brothers and sisters, please take this as an opportunity for Sadaqatun Jariyah, especially in this month of Ramadan. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you for all your support up to this point. Jazakumullahu khairan. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it as Sadaqatun Jariyah on behalf of yourself and your family. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.